Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create a professional and graphically rich email signature. I know you can create your own email signature within the Gmail settings, but creating a graphically rich email signatures would definitely brings a brand recognition and it gives professional touch, brings in kind of a confidence, kind of create a professional association with your brand. Honestly, email signatures are underused by most of the people. I will show you how you can create graphically rich email signature which you can easily edit and be consistent with it when it comes to your company branding. If you go online, you would come across with plenty of templates. Look at this site. It has a variety of email signatures. You can actually begin from here. Say if you are a brand manager of a company, you would want to be consistent with your brand colors, fonts, sizes of the fonts. Most importantly, you would want an error-free email signature. These days, people value you and your brand with the kind of emails you send. So email signatures can be extremely valuable tool and very simple to implement. It is the perfect opportunity to brand every message you send out. Let us use this particular site to begin with. And from there, I will show you how you can create a base HTML template. Let's begin. Let's go to Safari and let's create a new tab. Let's try free email signature generator. Okay, let's look for the site which we prefer. Okay, here is the one. Okay, let's go here. Let's create new signature. Okay, let's choose for good template. Okay, keep going. Actually, this is a good one. There are a lot of them. Okay, let's use this. Simple and neat. Okay, apply. Okay, so this is what we are gonna be creating. So basically that's the kind regards. So what if you want to change it to something else like best regards or best wishes, whatever it is, let it be best regards. Okay, done. And change the name. Okay, let's change the name to Rob Williams. Okay, done. And let's put the position as brand manager or brand designer. Okay, done. Okay, let's put the number. Let's put whatever the number it is, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 0. Okay, done. Then let's put this email is actually the email. This is a signature for that particular email. I don't think you need to put an email here of the same person. So if you're working for a company, so you put a company email which is info at whatever mycompanyname.com or mycompany.com. Okay, so that's a common email of the company. Then that's a website. You don't need a website because they know the company by the email itself. They know the company website. So maybe you add the company physical address, let's say 33 Fifth Avenue, New York City, or whatever it is. Okay, and done. So basically the information part is done. Okay, so now these are the social profiles. So you basically go here, you'll give a Facebook profile link of that particular person. So basically you find the link, or for time being I'm just, let's say, facebook.com. so you simply go there, and if it is a particular person's Facebook page, just copy the link and just come and put it here. Done. Same goes for Twitter. You give Twitter link. So for time being I'm just giving twitter.com. okay, and then okay, now the LinkedIn, maybe we don't want LinkedIn. Maybe I wanted to give a kind of a WhatsApp. Let me look if there is a WhatsApp here. There is no WhatsApp. There is a custom social image. Maybe we'll try to click here, and we can give actually WhatsApp. So let's give the WhatsApp icon. I think I have the WhatsApp icon, so simply drag and drop here. Okay, just say done. So that's a big size, so just reduce the size of this just to match there. Yeah, there you go. So now you need to give the WhatsApp link, so you can actually give a WhatsApp direct message option. So go to Safari and look for WhatsApp link generator. So yeah, you click this link and you just go here, create a WhatsApp link, just give the number. So 123, whatever the WhatsApp number is, 123456789, whatever it is. Okay, 5678900, and then you can give a custom message here. Let me put hello here for time being, and let's preview the image. So it means the link is working. So generate the link. So now come back here and copy the link. So the link is actually copied. You come back here and paste the link. That's it. So now anybody who clicks this WhatsApp message, they will directly get the WhatsApp link. Let's see whether the link is working again. Okay, let's paste the link. Yes, it's working actually. Okay, it's hello is there. Done. So basically now we need to change the image. So you just cancel the image, remove the image, and add and drag and drop the person. Okay, it is big, so just reduce the size to match to, yeah, that much. I think that's pretty good. Maybe you can round the corner, or maybe you can actually do full circle. Okay, that's it. Okay, now let's check the signature size. Usually you need to check this to make sure that it works in all the email servers. Yeah, we are okay, we are good. Now let's install the signature. So basically this is a warning message because I'm using Safari, it doesn't matter. So now let's copy the link. Let's click here. Okay, once you clicked, the email signature is actually copied on our clipboard. So now go back to Gmail, click here for the settings, and click here to see all the settings. Okay, scroll down all the way. Yeah, here you see create a new signature. You give whatever name you want for this particular signature is. Let's say test. Okay, now you just paste it. That's it. So the email signature is working. So you can remove this, or you can add maybe whatever the disclaimer here. You can just remove it for now. Okay, so now it is working. So come back here and make sure that whenever you create a new email next time, it's going to use the same test. Okay, save changes. Now you compose an email. So now you have this is working. Yeah, so I'm sure you can create your own signature. But what if you are a brand manager of a company? Okay, you have to create an email signature for all of your employees, but you have to be you would want it to be consistent. The brand colors has to be properly matched, fonts and signature images, and each one of the employee will have their own social profiles. So you need to give them all of these links correctly. So every time you are coming and making here in this site, yes, you can actually come back and use the same template and just come back and put the thing and everything here. Okay, the only thing here is that the employee pictures which you are putting it for each of the employee, all of them are getting stored in their server. Okay, now if in case you want to change the employee pictures, you will have to come back and create this template again and then copy the email server and then go back and do it. Okay, so instead of doing that, what if you can store all the pictures and everything and save it in your Google Drive or any of the cloud drive, or maybe even in your own company server. So the pictures are always there. Anytime if you want to go back and change the pictures, just simply go back and rename the file or maybe replace the file, and all your email signatures, you don't have to redo it. Everything is working seamlessly. Okay, so to do that, you just create one HTML file, and that HTML file you just simply go back and edit it. It's an easy way to edit it, and that works. So that's what we are going to see now. Okay, you see here you can actually get the source code. So simply copy that. So it will open up a text editor. Just see this. It's actually a complete code of the entire email signature which we have created now. So simply select all, copy it. Okay, and then that's a raw text. So let's go to HTML formatter. So let's go here. Let's try to format it. Just select this link, any link. Maybe let's choose this link. Okay, just paste here and format HTML. So this is the formatted HTML. So you see here, that's the name, and all of these are there. So it's all cleaned up. Okay, so Rob Williams and whatever the address. Okay, so all of them are there. So you simply select. Okay, all of them are there. Just have a look at it. So social icons and all of them, everything is there. Okay, so now select all, copy to clipboard. So the file is copied to your clipboard now. Okay, now you can actually create a text file here and copy it and rename them as a .html. It can work, but you can actually directly do it here. So let's open any text editor. I'm using Visual Studio Code. You can use Sublime Text, whatever it is. Okay, let me just go back and try to save it in the desktop. Okay, and come here, create a new file. I'll call it as signature.html. Okay, and paste here. Okay, now if you save it, you see this, there is this HTML file created. Just open this, you see that's working now. Okay, so what if you want to change this picture of the new employee or any of the employees and their social profiles, their WhatsApp, their basic information and everything? So if you create one system, one HTML file, so you can keep on adding, you can keep on changing it for each of the employee. So let's try to do that. Okay, let's come back here. Let's change the picture first. So let's try to find out where this picture is. So basically the picture is somewhere, that's the, okay, it should be this. Yes, look at this. This is the link, the file which we have created through that website. It is storing in this particular website. Okay, for example, if they delete the server, they don't, but if they delete the server, your pictures will go missing in your email signatures. So that's why editing an HTML and storing the files in your server or Google Drive or wherever it is always beneficial. So you can always go back and change, so your email signatures will never go missing. Okay, any of the images in the email signature. Okay, so let's try to change this. Okay, let's try to give the link. So basically let's say I will copy this picture. Okay, and then come back here. I will try to give a local file now, just to show you. Users, desktop, and the name of the file, the name of anna.jpg. Okay, now save it. Okay, come back here, refresh the page. Yes, there you go. So you see the pictures. So you see how quickly you can change. So now you can come back and do the same thing for any of the height and everything. You don't have to resize it, so it will automatically resize. Once the HTML file is done, so you just simply go and replace the thing, it will be done. Now let's look for the name. So if you find it very difficult, simply go back and search. So if you search, okay, yeah, see here, so you just change it to Anna, whatever it is. Okay, Anna Williams or Anna, I don't know, Anna Hathaway, whatever it is. Okay, and come back and change sales, whatever it is, and change her phone number. Okay, and then whatever the phone number is, and then the email of the company we are not going to be changing. And basically, if you refresh it, and then you will see that. So information has been updated. Now you need to give her actual Facebook link and her Twitter link. Okay, or maybe she doesn't have Twitter, she wants to have her Instagram, okay, for example. So we can actually go back and change the Instagram profile here. Let's try to do that. Okay, so and then her WhatsApp link will be to the same number as here. Okay, so now let's look for those codes. Okay, it should be somewhere here. I think these three are these three long lines are the ones. So basically this Twitter portion we'll remove it with Instagram portion. So basically even the Twitter, see, even the social profiles, it's getting read. The files are being stored in their server. So let's try to give a Pinterest here. Okay, copy the Pinterest icon, just come back and give local link. So users, desktop, and Pinterest.png. Okay, come back and refresh. Yes, there you go. So the Pinterest is linked. So the icon is linked, so you need to give the actual Pinterest link. So now that it is getting linked to Twitter, just change it to Pinterest. But actually I'm just giving a Pinterest.com, but you just have to give it to actual Pinterest link of her page, of that particular employee's page. And WhatsApp, yes, we can go back and change the WhatsApp link. Okay, again you can go back and do, there are many ways we can actually do WhatsApp links, but this method which we followed, we can actually follow the same method. Simply go and generate another WhatsApp link. So just go back and create WhatsApp link generator. Okay, just create a WhatsApp link, just give the number, okay, whatever the number is. Okay, just say hey. Okay, preview. Yeah, it's working. So now generate the link. Okay, just copy the link here, come back to here, and then paste it. Okay, now come back and refresh. It's working. So if you click here, it actually connects to her number and with the default message hey. Okay, so basically her social profiles are working: Facebook, Pinterest, and WhatsApp. So the same thing you can do for any of the employees. Actually you can go back and delete the bottom line. You can delete, or you can actually add a disclaimer here. So usually saying that email has a disclaimer, so you can add it as a part of the thing. But now I will remove it. Just come back, refresh. Yes. Okay, so her email signature has been created. Okay, what if you want to change the color of the text? Just simply come to this and look for the color. So that's the color. So if you know the color code, just simply enter the number, any color number. Yes, and now I have changed it to green. If you refresh, it's too flashy. Okay, so any color, whatever it is. Okay, so if you refresh, you see the brand color here. So copy this. Okay, go back to your email signature and just go to the settings, say all settings. Okay, just go back to the email signature and then you create another one. Okay, whatever, test2 or whatever it is, create and paste here. See, that's working. Okay, so by doing this, you are creating one HTML file. That HTML file has all your basic information, brand information, fonts, colors, and sizes, and look and feel of the entire email signature for your entire company. It's in one file basically. So all the employee pictures, if you have any special social media icons and everything, you are always putting them in one folder, whether it is a G drive or any cloud drive or your company server, whatever it is. So anytime if you want to go back and change it, you can simply change it in the server. You don't have to change any of the HTML file because it is being read here. so your email signatures are always working. So this is one of the simple method where if you are a brand manager or if you are a employee of a company who's handling the company's brand or company's email, or if you are an IT person or whatever it is, you actually create one template. This is a simple HTML template. You just simply go ahead and make your brand colors match the brand colors, fonts. You make it more consistent throughout the emails which is being sent by your employees, because the email signature is a extremely valuable tool, and it is very simple to implement. So yes, email signature is a perfect opportunity for a brand to convey a message, because it establishes and reinforces who you are as a company. By creating this email signature for each employee on your team, you actually create a brand recognition in every person to whom your employees are sending emails to. So having an email signature with information like your name, your company titles, and your photos, etc., makes you looks professional, makes the client feel confident about you and your company. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope this was very helpful. And if you like this video, I would appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would give me a motivation to do more videos. And if you specifically want to know any trick, kindly do let me know in the comments below. I will try my best to make a video. Thanks for watching.